Hi, this is a quick video on how to utilize our learning management system. So learning management system is called Talent LMS. You can go to stonyp.talentlms.com. You'll come to the landing page. And then from there, you can log in. You'll enter obviously the username and password that you received. And then when you log in, you're going to come in and you're going to come to the home page, your dashboard. You probably won't have any courses selected. So what you can do is you can go over to the course catalog. In the course catalog, there's a variety of classes, but in most cases, you're going to be interested in Salesforce. So you can filter the list to just Salesforce classes. And you'll see the 7 Salesforce classes we have available right now. So let's say you wanted to take the Salesforce Administration and Lightning class. You simply click on Get This Course, and now you are enrolled in the course. And then all you have to do is click on the course and start the course, and the course will begin for you. It's as simple as that. Hope you found that helpful.